Hey guys, Daily Chinese here, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to say where have you been somewhere before. So for this sentence you need to use a pronoun and a verb and then the country or place you've been to, and then you have to add ma as the question. So to ask someone have they been somewhere, you need to follow this structure. For example,
你去过中国吗？你去过中国吗？
So this means have you been to China? So for the structure, the pronoun is
你
so you, and then the verb is
去
and then the after 去 is 过, which just means it's in the past tense. You've already done it. By itself, 过 doesn't mean anything, but adding onto a verb, it just means you've done it. It just means the past tense. Then the country or place,
中国
and then finally the
吗？
which is basically just a question mark. Another example is
他去过英国吗？他去过英国吗？
so the pronoun is
他
which means she, and then again the verb is
去过
and then the place
英国。
and then ma. Another example is
丽丽去过大英博物馆吗？丽丽去过大英博物馆吗？
so the pronoun is
Lily
which just means Lily. So and someone's name can be a pronoun as well. Then the verb
去过
or the verb is 去. And then the place
大英博物馆。
which is the British Museum. So it can even be for anything specific, like have you been to the museum or have you been to the shops,
吗
which is just means question mark. To reply to this question, you can say
没去过
may just means you haven't. It just means negative. Just means it's negative. So 去过, the 去 is the verb, 过 means it's past tense, and may means you haven't done it. So you haven't been.
去过
This means you have been.
去过2次
So 去过 stays the same, which is you have been, and 2次 means the times you've been there. So 2次 is twice. Let's say you would say 3 times 3次, 5 times 5次. So the number changes before the 次, but 次 stays the same. It just means how many times you've done it. Okay, now some examples. 你去过德国吗？
去过3次
Okay, so 你 pronoun, 去过 verb, 德国 is a place which is Germany, and the question mark. Then the reply was 去过, which means you have been, and 去过3次 3 times. Another one.
你去过日本吗？
没去过. So 你去过日本吗 means have you been to Japan, and 没去过 means you haven't been. So you make sure to follow, if you're going to ask the question, you have to follow the structure: pronoun, then the verb, and then the place or country, and then ma. You have to follow it like that. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.